This video is going to self-delete in 10 seconds unless you hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, welcome back to the shop. Today is day 20 of our 30-day paint and body challenge for the 1978 Datsun 280Z project we've been working on, and that's just to see how far I can push myself in 30 days, coming out here every single day, seeing what I can get done. And I'm in the middle of paint and body work, so we're going to see if we can get this thing stripped down to bare metal, all back in epoxy, all the body work and filler work completed, and then back end base and clear within 30 days. We're on day 20. We're running out of time. We got 10 more days to go after this, and we're nearing our third full week of this, coming out here every single day, getting it done, whatever we can do in a given time frame. Today, we got a bunch of little stuff to do, so let's get busy. Well, that's it. That's going to do it. Day 20's in the bag. We got a bunch of little stuff done today. We got both the bumper fillers done. We got the cowl done. We got the inspection lids done. And we got all the front valence panels done. It's a bunch of little things, but it still takes all day. So that's the name of the game. Day 20's done. I will see you guys tomorrow on day 21. Thanks for hanging in there. Thanks for joining. If you like this kind of stuff, you know what to do. Click that like button. If you haven't done so already, click that subscribe button. Turn on your bell notifications. That way you get notified as soon as I get around to posting day 21. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I appreciate you as always. And until next time, thanks for watching this one.